Welcome back to ORESTO'S garage. So in this episode, the HG gets finally almost assembled, painted and ready to go. So probably a couple more weeks and she's done. So for you guys, probably another month before I bring this video, the next video out, sorry. So yeah, I'll leave it at that and get into it. So I've got an issue with the doors. You can see it right there. So the primer I used, it didn't harden, so I stripped her all back to bare metal again, and you can't even see that spot there. So the three doors I got it. Now I've got to rub all these back to bare metal again, epoxy it, prime it, high build it, sand it, prime it to get back to this. So maybe another week. So 3 doors are done out of 4. This one's been rubbed back already from the first time. Well, I'm still got to keep going. I go through the high build and everything. And people don't understand what happens in panel shops when certain things go wrong and it takes up time. And this is something, it's going to take up a lot of time and cost out of my pocket, not theirs, mine. And they want the car back as soon as possible. And it doesn't work. So unfortunately, I've got to rub 3 doors, well, 4 doors, and we'll be back into everything as we go. So yeah. Alright, so I got the inside where the spare wheel goes, the fuel tank, that's all painted up there. Still got a few bits and pieces, sand back in here, one more coat of primer on the outside and then blue. So yeah, I just stopped there because I'll probably take that paint a bit further down because that's still good in there around those seats. It's just the floor what's average. So yeah, that's where we're up to at the moment. All blacked in under. So yeah, still got to prime this rear quarter, the other rear quarter. Just doing some glaze putty at the moment. Sending that back. Little spots where I'm not happy with. And yeah, just pretty much the tidy up part, and slap some blue on her and some white, rub her back, clear coat it. Alrighty, so the HG is fully blue. So it's all blue now, except for the roof. Well, it's kind of blue. Doors are done. Little bits and pieces. Yeah, so yeah, that's what we're up to. I'll get the white down, and then I'll start doing I'll do the fine line tape, then put the white down, and then rub it all back, and then clear coat it. So almost there. Alrighty, so the HG is fully blue. So it's all blue now, except for the roof. Well, it's kind of blue. Doors are done. Little bits and pieces. Yeah, so yeah, that's what we're up to. I'll get the white down, and then I'll start doing I'll do the fine line tape, then put the white down, and then rub it all back, and then clear coat it. So almost there. Alright, so just doing a bit of assemblage here, so just gapping the doors, getting everything right. Started sanding these doors down earlier, but I thought I'll wait and sand it all in one go, just block it, gap it, block it, right back to get it ready for the clear and the white roof. So still got the other side to do, but she's getting there nicely and slowly. So my old man striked again, just here. So I've picked up a little bit of crap. And there is a bit down here, right there. But that's from my head, so I can't blame the old man on that one. I was wearing a beanie this morning because it was a bit cool. And yeah, alright, finish her off. Alright, so where we're up to, the bonnet is on now, so this is what we got going on. Yeah, she's latched up here at the moment, so it's starting to look like a car. So I've been doing a bit of rubbing back. So, and then underneath here we've got just the usual. So we've got the bonnet to open, close, hinges are on. Put a towel down here for now, just so I don't, scuffle this all up here, and the radiator support. But she's 99% complete on body wise. A bit more on the roof, tailgate. So yeah, we're there, we're done. Alrighty, so here's a bit of bonus footage for you. Got the HG roof painted white. So got a hard line, but once I rub it back a bit, clear coat it, quite happy with how it turned out. Did get 2 runs. Where are we? Can't see them. Yeah, well, there's a run there, there's another run there. But let's have a scoot over the roof. Fine line tape. So, yep, all done. Yeah, she just failed me there a bit, but not too concerned, they'll rub off. So this is the HG as it sits, and I'm liking it.